Now that I have defined the machine, stock, and coordinate system, I can proceed to define or extract the machinable features for this part. There are two main approaches to this. First, use the Extract Machinable Features tool, which allows SolidWorks CAM to automatically identify machinable features on the part and recommend suitable operations for machining. Second, manually define the features. We'll explore both methods, starting with the Extract Machinable Features tool. When I click the Extract Machinable Features icon, the SolidWorks CAM message window appears, displaying the progress and status of the process. If you encounter any issues while creating tool paths, this message window can be a valuable troubleshooting resource. You can always reopen it by clicking the corresponding icon. Additionally, you can pin the window to keep it open by clicking the push pin icon, but for now, I'll close it. In the SolidWorks CAM Feature Manager tree, you'll notice that a new part setup has been added, along with the machinable features identified on the part. This part setup represents the machining direction along the Z-axis, which serves as the basis for the subsequent operations. Since all features of this part can be machined from a single orientation, only one part setup was created. If multiple orientations were required, additional setups would appear in the tree. Under this part setup, you can view the automatically recognized features. To modify the features recognized by automatic feature recognition, click on the SolidWorks CAM option icon and navigate to the Mill Feature tab. Here, you can view the types of features I've selected for SolidWorks CAM to extract. SolidWorks CAM recommends rough, rest, and finish operations for both rectangular and irregular pockets, as well as a drilling operation for the two holes. Additionally, if I wanted to apply a different operation to the pocket features, right-click on the feature and select Parameters. Navigate to the Strategies drop-down menu where options are configured in the Technology database. This database determines the operations used for machining specific features. Later, I'll demonstrate how to create custom strategies for features you frequently machine. For now, I'll stick with the rough, rest, and finish strategy that's already set up.